Hey you guys, it's Hallie Anne. I'm alive, I'm living, I know. Okay. If you guys are new, my name is Hallie. Welcome to my channel, and if you are not new, hey guys, what's up? It's me, I'm living, I'm doing life. I'm here, filming again. So in today's video, I had no rhyme or reason to any makeup, but I was just getting ready to go to my early birthday dinner. I am turning 25 in 2 days. I'm hoping to have this video up before Father's Day, but yes, my birthday is on Father's Day this year, so my boyfriend and I are celebrating my birthday tonight. We're gonna do something with my family tomorrow, and then on Sunday we're gonna do just a family thing. Father's Day, birthday, kind of. I'm not a big birthday person, I'm really not, but this is basically just a get ready with me for my birthday dinner. I was inspired by a girl on Instagram who was doing a very beautiful wing with just eyeshadow, and I was like, yes, natural glam, give it to me. I live, breathe, die, eat, sleep for natural glam. That's what I love. There's a lot of things that I could be talking with you guys about right now, but I really do need to get going. So I really hope you enjoy this video. If you guys want to see how I achieved this makeup look on my face, go ahead and subscribe, stick around. I'd love to have you part of the family, and just go ahead and keep watching. Oh my Lord, hello. Okay, I know what you're saying in your head right now. It's been ages, I understand. I really understand. I'm still alive, I'm still here, I'm still kicking, still drinking my Monster, hasn't killed me yet. I honest to goodness, have absolutely no idea what I'm doing for my makeup. It is my early birthday dinner. I don't know where we're going. I just know that I was advised to not wear jeans. My boyfriend knows me so well because I love jeans. I love pants, jeans. So he said I can't wear jeans. So that means dress a little bit nicer. So I'll just put on a dress, I guess. I'm gonna use tape. I've been like really inspired by these people who are doing these like eyeshadow, pretty eyeshadow wings. I'm gonna prime my eyelids with a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape. I really need to get like a painterly pot or something like that from MAC, like an actual eyeshadow primer. I used to use the Urban Decay primer potion a long time ago, a lot. I never repurchased it because I just didn't feel, I don't know, I felt it was unnecessary. I would rather just use concealer. Set that down with a little bit of tempera from the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia. I don't know what's going on with my face, but anyways, so wow, I look absolutely beat right now. Why do you guys watch me? Don't worry, it's gonna come together. We're gonna get our life together. And I'm going to, actually the shade that I'm gonna use is from the original Tartelette in Bloom palette, and it is Smarty Pants right here. Yeah. On a Makeup Shack T68 brush. You guys, I am obsessed with the Makeup Shack brushes. I really am. So shocked, so surprised, so soft. I love them so much more than Morphe, and they are on par with like the exact same type of price range. I think I got these back in like January-ish. Love. I love them. I'm just gonna throw that lightly, and I'm gonna bring it all the way across and over toward the inner corner. If you guys really wanna know what I'm using as the base to hold my mirror, it's these gigantic Venus Fleur flowers. I have two. Here's another one from my loving, amazing boyfriend. So I need to use a pretty dark brown shade to start doing like a wing because I want to do it with eyeshadow. I'm gonna go into the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia. I'm gonna go in with a slightly more precise brush from Makeup Shack and take the shade Rustic right here. I want to work my way up to the deep shade, so I'm just gonna start putting this on that outer part where I want to kind of make the eyeshadow wing, and just start there. Now I'm going to take a flat kind of definer brush and go in with that darker shade, Cypress Umber, right there, and really work this into a wing type of shape. Kind of like that, and honestly, like I'm telling you guys, this is gonna look freaking messy until we get foundation on and clean everything up. But I'm just gonna continue to deepen up that shadow. And I even added a hit of black to it, but like tiny, because I don't want it, you know. I'm gonna take a little bit of my concealer to kind of clean up the lid. I'm gonna take from the Modern Renaissance palette the Primavera shimmer shade and just kind of use my finger and pat that, tap that, where I put the concealer kind of in this inner corner, just to give myself a little bit of shine, because I don't want to use glitter, but I do like a good shimmer. I'm gonna take the tape off and kind of see what we have going here. See how sharp that is over there? Once I do like all my foundation and everything, that's gonna look really nice and really sharp, and that's exactly what I wanted. It's just like a really easy thing. If you're not comfortable doing liquid eyeliner, you can always go in with an eyeshadow and just add some tape, let that be your guide, and then it just gives you a really sharp line. Let's move on to the face for now. I am going to add some of this Make It Forever Skin Booster, Ultra HD Skin Booster. I don't know, it's just really hydrating. In the areas where I do find that I have some pores and some fine lines, I'm gonna put in my Tarte Clean Slate Timeless Smoothing Primer Base. So I'm gonna put a little here, a little here, a little on the chin, little on my forehead, and then press that in to start. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Master Camo Green Color Corrector pen, just a tiny bit, and put it on my two friends here. So for foundation, what I'm really excited about is I recently got the new NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I really enjoy this. The coverage, it's like a thinner consistency, so like you might be a little bit weirded out by it, but I personally really enjoy foundations that kind of have a more liquidy consistency. As you guys know, I really absolutely adore the L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation, and that's really liquidy. So when I was kind of playing around with this and I saw it was a similar consistency, I was like, I'm probably gonna really like this, and I really do. Even though it does kind of give me a slightly matte finish, I don't find that it settles into my fine lines quickly. I'm actually going to mix, and speaking of Pro Glow, mix a little bit of Pro Glow in with that to give myself just a little extra boost of radiance. The foundation shade that I picked up that's fairly universal for when I have like a tan, M1 Punjab in the NARS foundation. So that's the shade that I got in this, and honestly I want to go buy like a couple more shades for like when my tan is really fluctuating, just because I love it. Dot this all over my face and pat it in with my gigantic Real Techniques face and body sponge. I love this sponge. And make sure you drag it down your neck and put it on your ears, for the love of God. So now I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape in Light Sand and add concealer and blend it out. To set my under eye area, I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Banana Powder. I'm gonna put that on with my damp sponge. Another new thing that I've been really liking lately is a powder foundation, and it's by Milani. This was another Tati recommended product. It's just the Conceal and Perfect Shine Proof powder foundation. I really like it. I have mine in 03 Natural Light. Looks like this. So I'm just gonna lightly set that over my face. Nothing crazy, just a little. I know you guys probably think I'm so boring with my bronzing and contouring routine, but when you like something, you like something. So I'm gonna go in and contour lightly with my Anastasia Powder Contour Kit in Light. I usually go in with the middle shade Fawn, and I even mix this one over here with it as well. I'm just kind of so used to where I like it on my face, but if you don't know, you can kind of do the fish face, and that shows you where the hollows are in your face. So just a little tip in case. Hell froze over. I finally bought the Too Faced Matte Chocolate Soleil bronzer in the actual for real full size version, because if you guys have been here long enough, you know You will know how long I have been trying to use that little trial size. I don't even know how old that is, where I got it from. That's gross, I know, but I bought the real one now, so no need to fear. I just really love this bronzer. And then we know I hate blush, so I'm using literally whatever's on my blush brush and putting that on the apples of my cheeks because I hate blush. And they're on. Also, I suck at YouTube because I also put on lashes and a little bit of mascara because I always put mascara on before I put a false lash on. And the false lashes, well, I guess I'll tell you what mascara I used in case you're really curious. The Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal, love. And I also tight-lined my upper waterline with a brown liner. This is from Urban Decay in the shade Whiskey. I really do love that as well. And the lash that I went in with is something a little more natural. This is a Carly Bible recommendation. These are the Christina eyelashes in hashtag WSP. They are from Amazon, and as I usually always do, I'll link everything down below, but I really do like these. They're a really great wispy eyelash, super natural, really nice looking, but still glam at the same time. I'm all about the natural glam. That's like my motto of life. We need to hurry up because I'm so slow and finish up the lower lash line. I'm not going to do any kind of eyeliner. I'm just gonna go ahead and run the lighter shade of brown that we used on the top, and that's from the Soft Glam palette, the Rustic shade. Pencil brush, and then just kind of put that close as I can to the lower lash line. And then with a more fluffy brush of sorts, I'm gonna take a lighter shade, Orange Soda, this one right here. Smoke that out to give myself a little more warmth. The only thing I'm gonna do to finish up the lower lash line is add some mascara. So I'm just gonna go back in with my Lash Paradise and do that. This looks really good. I'm actually super, super, super happy with the way that the eye is turning out. To highlight, I'm gonna go in first with my Dose of Colors Desi by Katie Highlight in Fuego. Kind of bring it up and around this area. And then I'm going to do a tiny, tiny touch of Oldie But Goodie, the Balm Mary Luminizer, kind of right in the area where I want it to be the most bright, so like right here. Okay guys, and this is the final look. I swear I have clothes on. It's a romper, but I suck at YouTube. So for my lips, I lined them with a Catrice lip liner, 04, something that has to do with chocolate. I will link it down below. With my lipstick, I went in with one of my all-time favorites ever, YSL number 10. And then the gloss is Bare Minerals Gloss in Groovy over the top of that. We are set to go. So thank you guys so much for watching. And like I've explained, sorry for all the absence and everything. I say it all the time, but whatever. You know what? I have a real life, okay? Oh. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love all you guys' support. Let me know if you guys liked the look, and I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye, guys.